Hello guys, this is Junaid Khan and welcome to my channel. This is the second video of the playlist in which I am showing you that how you can integrate Google Maps in your Flutter application. In this video, I will show you that how you can get the user's current location and show it on the map. So let me show you first that what we are going to do. So as you can see, Google Map is embedded and there is a button for getting my location. Once I click on this, it will take me to my current location with a marker. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So and I'm going to make the changes in our previous project which I developed for the previous video, this one, in which I showed you that how you can integrate a simple Google Map. So for this we are going to use a package named as geolocator. And the version will be 8.0.1 like this. After this you need to click pubget. It will take some time depending on the internet connection. Done. Now we need to create a new Dart file for showing this current location and show it on the Google Map. So for this I am going to create a new Dart file, current location screen, like this. Then you need to type STF, current location screen. After this you need to press Alt Enter to import material, like this. Now we need to open our home screen where we were showing multiple buttons. So right here we need to create a new button to navigate to this screen. I'm just copying pasting this. I think so. Yeah, like this. This will be user current location, and we will change the route of this to current location screen, like this. Now I'm going to run our app and see what we have done so far. Okay, so the app is installed successfully, and while I was trying to run my app, then I encountered an error that location variable .s is not found, something like this. If you face any kind of this error, then you can simply open your build.gradle file in the Android directory, and you can just simply upgrade one version of compiled SDK version to 31. Okay, once you do this, then I think so you will not face this error. Okay, so let me show you that what we have achieved so far. So this is what we developed so far. Okay, so once you click on user current location, it will take you a blank screen because we haven't done anything on that screen. So let's start by working on current location screen. Okay, this one. First we need to use scaffold, app bar again, title, user, I'm again making a mistake, user current location, Alt Enter, add a const modifier, center title true. Now we need to use body, and in this body we will use Google Maps, like this. Now we need to create a set of variables. First one is Google Map controller, like this. I'm making it as late because we will initialize it in our body, in our this Google Map widget. Then we need to use initial position, camera position, initial camera position, and in this camera position we will pass latitude and longitude, like this, and zoom level 14, like this. After this we need to create a set of markers which we will show on Google Map. Markers, like this. And now we need to pass markers, zoom control enabled false. You were seeing plus and minus button on Google Map, that's why I don't need those, so I'm just enabling them false. If you need them, then yeah, you can make them true. Map type dot normal, and on map created, Google Map controller, like this, and we will pass this controller to our variable, like this. Okay, so this is what we have done so far. So let me press hot restart and let's see that what we have done. So let me show you. See, user current location is being right now only the Google Map is being shown. Once you click on this, you will see a Google Map with the initial position. Now we will create a floating button. Floating action button dot extended. On pressed, right now we will keep it as empty. Text, let's see what we need to pass. Text, yeah, widget. Text, current location, like this. Add const modifier and icon start location. I think so we can find some, yeah, and const modifier, reformat our code, like this. So again, hot reload and see, let me show you. See, floating action button is being shown. Okay, now we need to create a method to get our users current location. For this we will future, because this will be our promising function, position. This will return a position type of variable. Determine position async, like this. Okay, bool service enabled. This variable will be used to check either the service for the users GPS is enabled or not. So we can use this variable for that. and after this we will use location permission service enabled await geolocator dot is location service enabled. If this is true, then we will, if this is false, service enabled false, then we will return future dot error location services are disabled, like this. And for the permission await geolocator dot check permission, either our location permission is enabled or not. If permission equals to location permission dot denied, because when we run this application for the first time and we ask the permission from the user, then it will be denied, it will be in the denied state. So that's why we will check that if it is denied, then we will ask for permission await geolocator dot request permission. After this, if the user still deny the permission, location permission dot denied, then we will return future dot error location permission denied. If all things go in smoothly way, or we can put another check. For example, if the user denied the permission forever, then we can location permission dot denied forever. So in this way we can't ask the user for the permissions again. Then the user have to open the settings, go to our app and allow the location permission manually. Return future dot error location permissions are denied, are permanently denied, like this. Now if everything goes fine, then we can position await geolocator dot get current position, like this, and return position variable, like this. Now we have to open the onPress function, position await determine position. We need to make this as async as well. If we got the position, then Google Map Controller, which we initialized here, dot animate camera update dot new camera position. So for this we need to pass camera position variable target. Here we need to pass latitude and longitude, which we can get from position variable position dot latitude, position dot longitude, and zoom 14, like this. After this we need to create a marker. So first we need to clear the list of markers. markers dot add marker id current location and position, latitude, longitude, and again we can get the latitude and longitude from our position variable. Position dot longitude, like this. So we are getting an error here. Let me see. So it's mean okay, yeah, sorry, we need to remove this const and we need to add a const here, like this. And after this we need to set state so it can show the marker on our Google map. So let me try to hot reload and see. Let me show you. Once I click on this, nothing happens, and we will go to, oh right, we didn't define the access file location or access course location in our Android manifest file. So we need to define these two permissions here. You can just like this. So as you can see that we have defined two permissions: users permission, access file location, and access course location. So we need to hot restart our app instead of hot reload. So the app is restarted successfully. User current location, still I think so it have an error. Yeah, we need to stop this application and run this application again, so it would reload our android manifest.xml file again. Wait, so it can restart. So the app is installed successfully. Uses user current location, click on this button, and now you can see that it's asking for the permission. So when I click on this while using the app, it will automatically take me to my current location. So you can see that this is currently my location, and this is it. So in this way, by following this tutorial, you can easily integrate Google Map. You can easily get the user's current location and use it anywhere. Right now I'm just pointing it on the Google Map, but you can use it anywhere. Okay, so in the next video I will teach you another useful tutorial about Google Maps and Flutter. So till then, take care, bye bye.